Do you want to live close to the marina and the beach, that too in a brand new building? But you also want to live in a family community next to the waters and that too not get tired by the traffic in the marina? Then watch this video. Today I am bringing to you a ready to move in, fully furnished, brand new apartment in the heart of JLT. Hi everyone, myself Chelsea Kukreja, your Dubai real estate expert. And today I'm in the heart of Dubai, which is JLT. Jumeirah Lake Towers, a waterfront community. You have these beautiful lakes inside the community with numerous restaurants around at your doorstep. Perfect for families and kids. And today I'll be showing you a ready to move in apartment, brand new, just handed over, right in JLT, 2 and 3 beds, fully furnished apartments. So watch the entire video and I'll give you a tour of the apartment. So keep sharing, liking and subscribing. In this video, I'll be covering the location of the project, as you can see already. Entire tour of the apartment, what's included, what is not included, and how is the payment to be made, and what are the prices of each apartment, and what kind of views do you get. And if you take a loan from Dubai government, then what is the EMI monthly that is coming to you. So first, let's talk about this location. It is one of the most loved location for the people residing in Dubai. It's a hassle away from the traffic of the marina and the congested roads. And the best part is it is right opposite to marina. Takes you 10 minutes to get to Marina Mall, 10 minutes to get to the beach. It is roughly 20 minutes from the upcoming new Al Maktoum Airport and about 30 minutes from the existing DXB International Airport. This community is located on the famous Sheikh Zayed Road, which makes it accessible from the nearby areas. The community is called JLT because all the buildings are surrounded by this beautiful lake that you see in the front. It has 26 clusters from cluster A to cluster Z. So all of the alphabet names have one clusters. All of the buildings get to have this beautiful view. There is a great walking track right across the lake. It is also surrounded by numerous cafes and restaurants. In the evening, the entire area is lit up with multicolor lights, which makes it a beautiful place to walk around during the evenings and as well in the afternoon. So I will be showing you the apartment inside this building. This is how the outer facade looks like. It's beautiful, newly handed over. And this is the kind of view you will get from the apartments. The skyline is very beautiful at night. You also have a boulevard in front of this building where the cars can come in and drop the passengers right outside. And there's a parking as well if visitors want to come in. With these apartments, with the 2 beds, you will get 1 parking, and with the 3 beds, you'll get 2 parkings. So this is where you'll park your cars. And now I'll take you to the grand entrance of this building. So this is how you come in. This is your lobby. Very beautiful and sophisticated. Side, this is your guest waiting area. You also have massagers where you can just use them as and when you get time. You want to chill around with your friends and family, you can sit down here. You can have a look and feel of the building and say how premium it is. Just have a look at the lift lobby. Now I'm going to show you how the apartment looks like. The apartment comes fully furnished. We have 2 beds and 3 bed units available and ready to move in. And in off plan, we have 1 bedrooms also available. Off plans will come with a payment plan, which I'll discuss at the end of the video. These are all in full cash. So you get a extra room in both 2 beds and 3 beds, which you can use as an office space, study space, or a maid's room. When you come up straight, you have a full washroom. Currently, we are reviewing a 2-bedroom unit. Moving straight, you have a kitchen. It's semi-closed. You can put sliding doors and you can close it completely in case you need privacy. This is how your living room looks like. Pretty spacious. The interiors are very well done. Please note that the wall paneling is not included in the wall arts. You'll have to do it. You can also use it as a reference and do it in your 3-bedroom apartments. So this is your living room. The furniture comes as it is. You have a running balcony connecting your first bedroom and your living room, overlooking the beautiful JLT lakes. Moving straight, you'll have 2 bedrooms. Both are ensuite with attached washrooms and fitted wardrobes. So if you come inside the room, that is your washroom. Pretty spacious. That's your fitted wardrobes. You also have ambient lighting. And this is your bedroom, connected with the balcony and a beautiful vanity space given, overlooking the lakes. This is your second bedroom. Again, it's pretty spacious. You have a beautiful vanity. Your bedroom. Now look at that view. This is going to be your doorstep. You can walk around in the evenings. It's beautifully lit up. And the lake view is pretty unobstructed. And that's your washroom. And these are your wardrobes. This is the layout of a 3-bedroom apartment. On my right, you have a powder room that you can use for your guests. Moving straight, you have a massive living room where you can chill with your family. On my left is your first bedroom. All the bedrooms will come fully fitted with the washroom and the wardrobes. You also have a walk-in closet and numerous wardrobes, giving you a lot of storage space. Moving straight, that's going to be your washroom. You have a TV cabinet. The area is pretty spacious. We have multiple sizes available. So this is going to be your massive kitchen. Currently it is semi-closed. You can put sliding doors and close it completely for your privacy. This is a private space used for washing the clothes, or you can have multiple storage for cutlery items here. Coming straight, you also have a maid's room. Furniture is already given, and for privacy reasons, there is a separate washroom. So moving straight, you have 2 more bedrooms here. Both are ensuite with fitted washrooms and your wardrobes. This is your master bedroom. Coming straight, attached washroom. Pretty spacious. And this is your bedroom. Your bedroom will overlook beautiful city views. During the day, you can see the lakes. During the night, it's beautiful skyline. I am exactly at the building. That's your Uptown JLT. You have your metro station. Right across, you can see the Sheikh Zayed Road and beautiful views of the intersection. And that's your lake. So this is going to be your third and the last bedroom. Everything you see, you will get the furniture as it is. You can do a little bit of interiors and colors to your choice. If you see the color code in the apartment, it's pretty minimal with grey interiors, including the color of the door, which is your grey. So it gives a feeling of very sophistication. This apartment comes with a running balcony where you can have accesses from the 2 bedrooms and your living room, but we do have multiple layouts. Hence, it can be different for the other 2 layouts. This building comes with numerous amenities including steam sauna, and you have your massive infinity swimming pool with the sunken beds, and you have your jacuzzi with the kids pool overlooking the beautiful lakes on all the sides. That's your fully equipped gym. Definitely one of the biggest gyms you'll find in a residential building. Now let's get to the numbers. The 2-bedroom, this exactly same unit is priced at 3.2 million AD, and only 2 units are available. So you can better look at 3 bedrooms if you're not planning to buy instantly. So this is a ready building. You know how the demand for ready buildings is in Dubai, especially if it's this good. The location is excellent. It's next to water. It is next to Marina Mall. Everything is on its proximity. Plus, it is walking distance from the metro station. Hence, that high the demand is, and the structure of the building is excellent. The layouts of the apartment are great. The sizes are good. And the interiors of reception, lobby area are outstanding, and you've seen the finishes there. So I've already given you a brief of the location, how the building looks like. That was the apartment tour. So this apartment, which is ready to move in, the one that you saw exactly, 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom, the price of 3-bedroom is exactly between 4.8 million to 5 million AD. You can either pay full cash and move in, or you can take a loan from the bank, which you get it for 25 years. Interest rates are different. If you're a resident, it is somewhere between 4 to 5%. If you're non-resident, it is between 5 to 6%. So you can get a loan for 25 years and pay monthly EMIs for this apartment. If you don't have funds ready, you can also invest in their upcoming project, which is going to be similar to this one. That comes with a payment plan of 40-60, 40% under construction and 60% on handover. The handover is in Q4 2026, which is almost 2 years from now. If you want to view this unit or if you want to make a booking, get in touch with me now. My handles are given below. You can also connect with me on Instagram. The link is given below and the LinkedIn. My team will get back to you as soon as possible. This is Chelsea Kukureja signing off from today's video. Hope you liked the video. Let me know in the comment section what do you want me to cover next. Keep sharing, liking and subscribing. Stay tuned for next video.